Let me tell you, hindi lang po kayo nandito para magpainit ng upuan. You're not just here to fill the pews. You are called to receive the favor of God. Let me say that again. You are called to receive the favor of God. I want to remind every one of you, you are redeemed by the blood. You are blessed and highly favored. You are saved. You are delivered. You are protected. You are healed already. You are preserved by God. And you are complete. Si Kristo lang makapagkukompleto sa inyo. Hindi po ang promotion nyo sa trabaho, hindi po ang business ninyo, hindi po ang asawa nyo ang makapagkukompleto sa inyo, ang pangalan ay Jesus Christ. Don't wrestle with God for blessing. Rest in the presence of God. The moment that you will understand that concept and that revelation, kapatid, walang magkukulang sa buhay mo. Lahat ng bagay na kulang pupunan ng Diyos. Ganyan kabuti ang Diyos natin.